In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to combine taskbar buttons together or lump them together on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select personalization on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select where it says taskbar. And then scrolling down again, select where it says taskbar behaviors. And then going down where it says combine taskbar buttons and hide labels, click the drop down and select always. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.